How's it going, folks? This is your old buddies, Demo and
Zonner.
And today we are in Mineral County at Candelaria in Metallic City, just up the road that way.
We'll be heading that way here shortly.
Yeah, a little brief history, besides the sign behind me. 1868, 1864 is Mexican prospectors found silver on Mount Diablo. And then by 1879, German and Slovakian immigrant or prospectors came in and basically set up a town of Candelaria. And like Zonner pointed out, where was it at? Yeah, it was Sin City, Pickhandle Gulch. The name Pickhandle derived from the most popular weapon used for settling disputes out here during the time. So. Yeah,
that's one way of doing it.
Yeah, we got Pickhandle Gulch, which is off there, and then Mount Diablo, Metallic City, and Candelaria. It's a big open pit mine that I believe is abandoned. I think Ken Ross used to own it. They might still have shares and stakes in it. And the other thing we're hoping for today is they had a earthquake, 6.2, just off right over in that direction, in May of this year. And 5.7 or 5.8
a couple weeks ago,
December 1st, which is right up here near Mount Diablo. So we're going to hopefully catch an earthquake on film, if we're lucky.
If we're lucky.
But right now we're going to go ahead and head up to the mine, see the old ghost town, do some metal detecting.
There you go.
Our own little prospect adventure. So
let's do it.
You ready to head up?
Let's do it, brother.
All right, let's go.
All right. Here's an old store or bank or saloon, who knows.
Knock, knock. Anyone home? Yeah. I'd probably be assuming this was a store of some sort. Sad. What do they call it? Arrested decay.
Arrested decay.
Yeah.
I don't think they quite collared this one. I think this one got away.
Yeah, you got more shacks there, and the cemetery right over there. Mount Diablo right there.
Diablo.
All right. Well, Main Street again, still. That hill is that's actually a waste pile from the mine. So.
That's a big tailing pile.
You can see there used to be some fine construction.
Yeah, they did a good job on it. Lasted quite a long time.
And nature said, boy, let me tell you what, I'm taking it back.
Yeah, we've had enough of your shenanigans.
Yeah, we got another structure there, and it looks like there used to be a building right back behind this one we'll go check out.
Yeah, let's go have a look. Bustling town.
You can see where the shutter was.
Yeah, we're starting to notice dust coming up from the mine pit up there. Got a feeling it might be from the walls collapsing. There might be tiny little earthquakes going on.
Little aftershocks.
Here's some more old foundations. They're all over the place here. This is a good sized camp. Old Candelaria was.
1939, the post office pulled out. 1941, the town died. So 1879 to 1941 was your ballpark range.
Cool old foundations, though. Well, I mean, it's a fixer-upper, but here it is, folks.
Bob Vila, eat your heart out.
No kidding.
This old dump.
Bob Ross, for that matter. This place could use a happy little pine tree. All right. And here we have Dugout Mount Diablo. What, they pull 7 mil worth of silver out of here?
Yes. A lot. Lots.
Yeah, holy smokes.
Yeah, that dust we saw earlier came from this stuff given away from the quaking.
Yep.
But you got good signs out here. Mineral wise. Some iron pyrite.
Oh yeah.
You hear it?
Yep.
Ground's moving. That's an eerie feeling too.
Yeah, it is. Especially where we're standing right now. All right, here we discovered ore samples. Lots of them.
Lots of them. Yeah, it's kind of odd to see the water in the bags though. Usually you don't see that. So they just did this recently.
Yeah. And here we got the Molini family, Emmanuel Molini and Anna Molini. Anna died 1902. Emmanuel died 1919. He was from Genova.
Yeah.
Genova, Italy.
So she's native of Genova, Italy.
Both from Italy.
52, 11 months, 10 days.
It's crazy.
71 years, 16 days.
Look what somebody did over here.
Yeah, that's...
Oh, Lord. Clarence McGinnis, born 1881, died 1902.
Native California.